Let's talk about another Windows app that can completely change your experience. It's called Sparkle. And I'm going to download it from their GitHub page. I'm going to download this one, 2.12.0 Setup exe. I'm going to run it anyway. And let's start it. Now I'm going to check my status bar. Yes, and here I have Sparkle Optimizer. Right click on it, open window. Well, it is recommended to have some restore point, but I'm not going to create it now. In here you can check some relevant information about your PC, and now I'm going to check on tweaks. Okay, de-bloat of course, ultimate performance power plan, I'm going to check this one too. This is interesting, disable background MS store apps. Yeah, Copilot, I want to disable it. And by the way, I have to tell you, all of this is potentially dangerous. So don't do it if you don't know exactly what you are doing. If you are not sure, at least create some backup. Let's see what else we can do in here. Okay, I want to disable this game bar. Absolutely, disable location tracking. Yeah, disable Wi-Fi sense. If you are not using your PC for gaming, this is a recommended thing to do. Remove all of Xbox apps. Absolutely. Remove OneDrive from the system. Honestly, I like how Bing works, but I'm going to remove it too. Okay, PowerShell 7, it's fine. I want it to be default. Now, as you can see, these tasks are active, so we just have to wait until all of this is done. Only 2 remains. So all of this is done, but you know there are some settings that we have to apply manually. As this one, remove gaming apps, I'm going to click on apply. And one more, de-bloat Windows. I'm going to click on apply to this one. And wait until it's done. I'm going to use Sparkle de-bloat. In here you can choose different script. And I'm going to click on continue. In here we can check which apps we want to save. No, I don't want Paint. None of these. Yeah, I'm going to start with de-bloating. Okay, that is done. And you are realizing that I am fast forwarding these boring parts, but applying these settings take a lot of time. Okay, now I'm going to check utilities. And this is actually a very useful screen. This cleaner might be very useful, and this is actually not recommended, storage sense, because in this case many of your files are going to be removed automatically. I don't prefer to do so, because I want to know exactly what is deleted from my system. In here you can see system information, and fast startup it's actually fine. And absolutely beautiful part, set your Windows update to manual. In that way, you are the one who is going to decide when Windows updates are going to be applied. If you have some display issues, you can restart your graphic driver. Power plan depends what you need. And DNS cache is mostly not the problem, but sometimes you can flash its cache. And now, same as with graphic driver, you can restart your audio, you can reset your network, and that's all for utilities. Let's check about cleaner. Of course, from time to time, this is very smart thing to do. I'm going to do it now. Now in restore points, if you have created some restore point, you are going to see it in here. And as I said, when you are performing these kind of tasks, it's very smart to have some restore point if something goes wrong. Now DNS manager, default it's set to Cloudflare, but you can actually select any other DNS. Or you can even deal with custom DNS. Now I'm going to select apps. From this screen you can both install and uninstall some apps. You can see that there are many apps in this list. And in settings, we can change theme. Let's check to dark. No, not interesting. Purple, gray, classic. Let's go with classic. And aside of update, all of these settings are just quite usual. So final word, Sparkle is a great tool. It's going to help you to free your Windows machine from all sorts of unnecessary applications and services. And of course it's going to give you much better control over what your machine is actually doing. But you have to keep in mind that this process can also be dangerous. So as I said, if you intend to play around with this app, at least make a backup point, because it's better safe than sorry. And at the end, as I usually say, like, subscribe, and see ya!